Established in 2009, Hubei Teweite Power Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, production, sales, and service of mobile air compressors. The company operates a modern production facility covering 20,000 square meters with an annual output of over 2,000 units. Our products meet international certifications including SGS ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CE, ASME, ATEX, and DNV 2.721. They are widely used in industries such as water well drilling, geothermal, construction, oil and gas exploitation, pipeline pressure testing, and mine blasting. Globally trusted, our products are exported to over 60 countries, supported by established sales and after-sales service networks worldwide. We prioritize this product R&D and technological innovation, backed by an experienced and pioneering R&D team, focused on customer experience and product performance. The company holds over 40 product patents, driving relentless momentum for its growth and industry leadership. Teweite screw air end features internationally advanced 426-232 screw rotors, precision machined by UK Holroyd screw grinding equipment with 223 micron grinding accuracy. Designed for large rotors, low RPM, and extended durability, it combines high efficiency with a high-strength gas housing process by Japan's Mitsui Seki machines. Every critical component is inspected using German Zeiss coordinate measuring technology, while German FEG heavy-duty bearings ensure an operational lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. Teweite ensures 100% self-inspection and cross-inspection during material assembly for stable and reliable performance. Fasteners are tightened with high-end torque tools, strictly following international torque standards, with full process documentation for 100% traceability. Materials adhere to the FIFO, first in, first out principle, supported by safety stock levels, ERP-based precise material checking, and precision inventory control. BOM-driven material preparation guarantees accuracy in usage and timely assembly efficiency. Each unit of equipment must undergo a series of checks, including appearance inspection, oil level and sealing integrity view, no abnormality during idle startup, 100% load pressure test, and final data QC review, finally generating a visual data report before being delivered to the customer. We provide mobile air compressor products to global customers, which could meet local emission regulations such as EU Stage 5, EPA Tier 4F, EU Stage 3, EU Stage 2, etc., with working pressures of 7 bar to 40 bar and air volume of 8 CFM to 1850 CFM.